What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So this pair is the Nike Vomero 18, and Nike have said that it's got a 46mm stack, so that's how much height it should add to you, because it's a 46mm stack, so 4.6 centimeters. I always have to double guess myself, to be honest, but yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my trusty tool and measure, but I'm thinking how I'm gonna do this, to be honest. So I'd say roughly here. Let me see on the inside. I think roughly here we can mark it. Let's just check. This is the bit where it gets scientific. So I'm gonna have to check there. So yeah, I'd say roughly here is where the stack is. So let's actually see. So in sneakers or running ones, people always need a stack, not just generally for height, but more so for the comfort levels. So I say we put it right there and just see if Nike are actually 46mm. Mint. So we've got 46mm right there from the rough estimate. You know what? Props Nike, props. I'll change it just to inches now, so that's 1.81 inches. So if you're 5'10", you'll be 6 foot when wearing these. I think 5'10", 11, yeah, 6 foot. You'll be just about 6 foot. If you're 5'11" and you want to be 6 foot, get these definitely. But yeah, full review, on foot comparison. I want to do a wear test. I've got so many ideas for these sneakers. Click the bell icon. Make sure you subscribe. You can tell it's been a long day. I'm sorry, my people, but yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, all the videos, the playlist of how much height does it add and all that good stuff. Take care, my people.